We're going to show you how to delete Snapchat messages. Whether you've sent a message by mistake or just want to clear your chat history, we've got you covered. Open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Swipe right from the camera screen to access the chat screen. Also, you can tap on the message icon from the bottom / here. You'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Tap on the conversation containing the message you want to delete. This will open the chat with that friend or group. Find the message you want to delete. Press and hold on to the message bubble until a menu appears. In the menu, tap on Delete. Snapchat will then ask if you're sure you want to delete the message. Confirm by tapping Delete again. The message will be removed from the chat. If you want to delete multiple messages or clear the entire chat history, go back to the chat screen. Press and hold on to the conversation you want to clear until a menu appears. In the menu, tap on Clear Conversation. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Clear to delete the entire chat history with that contact. Note that this will only clear the conversation on your device. The other person will still have the chat unless they also delete it. You now know how to delete Snapchat messages, whether it's an individual message, multiple messages, or entire conversations. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.